Let's learn File Manager Recycle Bin. Do you know your A03s mobile has File Manager Recycle Bin? If you delete some file on File Manager, it is moved to Recycle Bin. Let's learn how to enable or disable this File Manager Recycle Bin option. Open your mobile File Manager applications. After, click on this three dots icon on top right corner. You can see here Recycle Bin option. Now my mobile Recycle Bin haven't any files. Now I already enabled this Recycle Bin option. Let's learn how to disable this. Click on this three dots icon and go to settings. Now you can view here Recycle Bin already enabled. If we delete some file on our file manager, it is going to Recycle Bin. After 30 days, it is going to delete permanently. If you want to delete files permanently without move to Recycle Bin, you can turn off this Recycle Bin option. Now I am going to turn off this. Now if I delete a file on my file manager, it is going to delete permanently.